So we're up here, this is about 20 miles north of me. And check out the hail damage. Even knocked the windshield wipers off the... God, what a mess. Look at it, broke the mirrors. So obviously it came from that other side. They got all these cars. See all that hill of cars? Man, look at this. It's just pulverized this. There's glass everywhere. It's interesting though, I didn't break any side windows. Break the back. Nope. So it must have came from the front, or toward the front. What a mess. All these vehicles, look at all these pickups over here. I'll be back in a tick here. So all these pickups, there's what, 2, 4, 6, just down here. Every one of them got big sheets of plastic. Must have been facing this way. Look at that.
They got dents all over.
Look at the dents in the flares, dents in the sides. Look at the size of these dents.
Jesus.
And again, they didn't break out any side windows. Just the main window.
They must have been parked. I don't know what direction the storm came from.
Well, they got cars, you know, like up in the hills there. This is a big car dealership. They got all these cars stored. Look at the side of this thing. Looks like it took gunfire. Now we got plastic all over them.
It's just weird that it just went around the windows at the windows.
Look at all these trucks sitting over here in the lot. Every one of those, the windshield is broke. You can't cross this, can I? All these trucks. That one's got off lightly. Some of these got some serious. Look at the front end of that thing. The hood is totally folded in. It's a brand new Chevy pickup. That one's got some.
It looks almost like a roll.
Holy cat! Yeah, that one's. This one I think has a new windshield in it. Cause look at the tape.
Yeah.
But look at the front's all beat. They must have went through and looked at some of them. Oh, here's this was black one. Oh, look at this one.
Jesus.
Here's another Chevy pickup. What's it look? Look at that. Just looks. Man, it's like every other one of these things is. Look at this one. It's a little lumpy. Oh my gosh! Look at
red one.
Look at it. Broke the windscreen off the red one. Tore it off there. Mostly, you know what's funny is, oh, look at all these.
Ditch there.
Every one of those is screwed.
Yeah, see all this stuff back here is all messed up too.
That car is just about completely stoved in. Look at them. Yeah, look at all those in the back row. Look at this thing. It's just. Oh, now here's something that actually looks like the side windows got knocked out of it. You know, a lot of these, the side windows didn't get broke out.
It's sitting sideways or something.
Yeah.
That
sold.
One.
Yeah. See these. They got tape on them. They got new windshields in them.
Look at that black car.
God, it's just about through. They must have sold. Well, they must have really marked these down.
Sold.
Everything in this back is sold.
No, not everything. We're still straight back.
Look at that one. The mirrors are broken.
Oh, I don't say so. That white one.
Yeah.
But it didn't have. It's not.
Everything. That one's
messed up.
pretty lumpy. Oh. Ouch.
Is that a Buick?
Well, I think so.
There was a Buick.
Not anymore. They're a little tougher.
There's some stuff back there.
Yeah.
These have side windows.
Here's
Last
a pile of cars. Look at this category 5. They've already had the insurance company look at these. They're total. Look at that. What is that? That's a brand new. Oh, pre-owned. It's a pre-owned. What is that little car?
It's a Focus or something.
Not anymore. It's a lumpy mess. Look at the dents.
Well, look at their truck.
Truck.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, this is the hill where they store.
That shit really got it up there on top of the hill.
Yeah. Yeah, look at all this stuff along. I don't know if you can see this. All this stuff along there, like that black truck right above this red. Everything there is, almost everything has got the thing covered up. It's all.
The side of it's all beat up too.
Oh yeah, it is. The side's all bashed in. Here's a bunch of vans. You can.
Look at this side.
There's a back window out of a van. There, look at the side of this van. Every one of these. Here's a reason to buy a truck without a body. There's nothing to dent. Take the rear window out of that one. Look at the mirror is broke. Surprisingly though, what a mess. I read they had estimated $15 million worth of damage.
Those windows are.
Here you go if you don't like your insurance agent. Look at it, just peeled the siding right off of there. Broke out a lot of the windows.
Yeah.
But not the door. I broke those ones on the side over there, which is kind of weird. It looks like it must have came kind of from this direction. Look at it. It knocked the paint off of the pillars and stuff. Looks like it sandblasted it off of there. I guess there's a reason not to have vinyl siding. Now, oh, you know what? I bet that door has been replaced. It looks too good.
It looks too good.
It looks too good. Okay.
Been through that.
Well, here.
Oh.
Holy cats! Look at that mess back there. Here, look at this. This lets you know how big this hail was. I'm gonna step out here. Here's my thumb. Look at all these holes. That stuff's pretty damn tough too. Just beat the hell out of that. On the corners and stuff. Yeah, here's a little garage. You can see all it's taken the paint off the door, and then their house, it knocked all the windows out of the house. Here's a house that's, I'd say 2/3 of it are covered with tarps.
Windows.
Knocked the windows out of something?
Yeah, I thought the garage ones were, but I guess
amazingly
not.
enough, it didn't take the front windows out of that place.
The next house, all the windows are gone on the front.
There's a window gone on the